Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Sudoku Heavy speed test May. Yes. Well, the speed test, I only do the speed test the first Friday of the month. Well, the last Friday, May the 5th, was Liberation Day. I forgot to do the speed test. Well, so today I've decided to solve these two puzzles with a speed test. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles I will do in the evening, and yeah, it's today Friday, May the 12th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle. Solve this in 3 minutes. Well, this one will be number 6422. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 28 printed digits. Should be also a 1 if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. This is also a 1 star. 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one has 28. So I need to be faster than 15 or 14 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 1 minute and 30 seconds already passed. Alright, 1 okay. 1 1 1 1 1 1 okay. Then 8 2, the 9 should be here. The 9 should be there. 9. This should be the 9. 9 here should be the 9. 7 here should be the 7. 9 1 7. 3. 2 numbers left. This should be the 4. This should be the 6. 2 numbers left. Speed test without instructions. 5 and the 8. 8 8 8. 3 6 and the 4. Come on. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 4. Need a 4 here. 4 6 7. 7. Come on. 2 2 2 2 9 1 2 2 4 and a 6. Where's the opening? The opening and the 8 also. The 8 wait 8 8 8 8. Ay 7 8 2. Come on 2 2 1 4 8 1 4 8 6. The 9 should be here. 9 9 9 9 9 9 7. 5 should be here. The 3 1 8. Come on. 2 Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Taking too long. Two. 219, okay. We have a 9, we have 8. 8 should be here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking long. 4 and a 6, okay. Here should be the 2 then. Here, no, 6. 6, 6. Come on. 9. Here should be the 9. There should be the 9. 4 should be here. 2, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 5 and a 7. 7. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 4, 6. No, 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. It should be the 7. Come on. 8. 6. 8. I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. 9. 3 should be here. Yeah. Now I've eliminated 8. 8 should be here. 8. Need an 8 here. This should be the 8. Eliminated the 7. 7 should be there. 5. Need a 5 here. No 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. We need a 2. Need a 9 or so. No. Need a 4. How about these 2, 3, and a 4? No. 4 and the 5. I'm missing 4 and 5. 7 minutes, 8 minutes already passed. Come on. 4, 5, 9. So the other 2 should be 6 and the 2. 6 and the 2. So need a 2 here then. 4, 5, 9, okay. 4, 9, and here can be a 4. Here can be 9. Can be 9. 4, 9, and need a 6. Here can be 6. Wow. 4 and the 6. We have a pair here. The 2 is missing. We have a 2. This should be the 2. Need a 5 here. This can be 5. This should be the 5. 4 and a 6 then. Pair. 4, 6, 2, 6. So here we have the 6. Okay. 2. Here we have a pair. 5, 7. This can be an 8. 5. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. Can be 6. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 4, 5, 9, 2, 6. Give me 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 2 here. Can be 2 here. 2, 9, 2, 9, 2 number 6 and 7 are missing. No 7 here. 6 can be 6. Should be here. This box. And the 7 could be a 7 here. It could also be a 7. Ay. But this box. 1, 2, 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? 6. Where's the 7? Could be also a 7 here. 8, 9. Okay, 6, 7. Must be a hidden number here. 2, 4, 6. And I need a 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, and now need a 6, 4, 7. Come on. 5, no 5, 4, 9. Wait, we have a 2 here. We have a 2 there. This should be the 2, okay. We have a 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 7, 9, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, we have a 9, so 7 and a 5 are left. 2, 2, 2, overlooked. 2, 2, this should be the 2, this should be the 3, overlooked this 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, this should be the 3. 2 numbers left, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 again. 4 and 6. Not a pair. This is a pair. 5 and 4 are missing here. So we have a 4 here, 4 there. This can't be 4. This should be a 6 then. This should be a 4. This should be a 6 then. This should be a 4. 6. This should be a 4. This should be a 6. This should be a 4 then. 4, 4. This should be a 4. This should be a 5. 5, 5. This box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left, 6 and a 7. Okay, we have a pair here. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 there. 2, 6. 2, 2, 2, 6 cannot be here, could be there. No 6 here. 6, 6. This should be the 6. 7 and a 5, okay. 7, 5, and need a 4 here. Need a 4 here, okay. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. 7, 5, and a 4. We have a 7 and a 5 here. This should be the 4. 7 and a 5 here. Okay, 4. This can be 4. This should be the 4. 5 and a 9. This should be the 5. This should be the 9. 9, 9. This should be the 9. So the 6 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 there. This should be the 6. 7, 6, 7, 7 and a 5, 5, 7, 5, 7. 14 minutes minus 1 minute, 13 minutes. 30 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. Yeah, 12 minutes. All right, let me check if this is correct. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Correct. 12 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. I'm pleased with the time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.